So in this video, I'm going to go over a few basic and a few advanced F12 algorithms. So if you want to learn more of the F12 algorithms, there's a link in the description below. Go check that out and learn from them. F12 basically works on one main principle. That is, the corner, while going to its intended destination, it picks up the edge piece on the way. So for example, with this corner and this edge piece, it picks it up here and goes in here at the same time. So the first basic case is when you have the edge piece and the corner piece joined correctly and the white sticker is facing to the left like this. Then you do an R, U prime, R prime to put it into the right slot. The second basic case is again when you have the edge piece and the corner piece attached correctly, but in this case you have the white sticker facing to the right. Then you do the opposite of the previous algorithm. Here you do an L prime, U, L to put it into the right slot. The next basic case is when you have both the corner and the edge piece on the top layer. The top facing stickers don't match and you have the white sticker facing to the right and the edge piece is parallel to the white sticker. Okay, so when you have this case, you match the corner to its center and then you do the following algorithm. You do R, U, R prime. So the slot is done there. So what happens is the corner picks up the edge here. Okay, when you do the R move, the U move matches it to the here and you put it in with a R prime. The final basic case is the opposite of the previous case. So you have both the corner and the edge piece on the top. You have the stickers on the top not matching. You have the white sticker facing the left side and the edge piece is parallel to the white sticker. So it's parallel to the white sticker like that. So you do the following algorithm. L prime, U prime, L. So you finish your slot there. One thing to always remember in the last two basic cases, you should always have the white sticker parallel to the edge piece like this. Okay, so if it's like this, you cannot do that because that pair doesn't come with it. It has to always be parallel like this so that the white corner picks up the edge on the way. So those were the basic cases. Now for the advanced cases. So the first case is when you have the corner and the edge piece on the top. The colors don't match, but in this case the white sticker is not parallel to the edge piece. So what you do is you keep the corner on the right spot. You do this so that they pair up like this. Alright, so it was here like that. Okay, so you do an R prime U R to bring the edge from here to here, preserving this here. And then you can do the basic F12 algorithm, that is R U R prime to put it in. One thing to remember while doing this case and the next case is that if you're doing R prime to move this here, okay, you should always remember that the back slot, that is this slot that is here, is empty. Okay, so for example, this back slot right now is not empty. So if I try to do R prime and then U to get it here, I spoil this back slot, which I don't want to do. So if you have that type of a case, what you could do instead is you could move the corner here. Okay, hide the corner. So basically the corner was here. So you hide the corner like this, move this here like that. Okay, then unhide the corner. Now you had the same basic case. This is basically the opposite of the previous case. You have both the corner and the edge piece on the top layer, but the white sticker is not parallel to the edge piece. So what you do is, so in this part you can see here that we do not have any empty back slots. Okay, so this is done, this is done, this is done. So this is the only empty back slot we have. So we'll move this here, okay, so that when we do an L and we turn the top layer, there's nothing getting spoiled. So now we just need to get this here. So we do an L, okay, and then a U prime to get this here. As you can see, nothing is getting spoiled. And then an L prime to get this back, and then we match the color, and then we do the basic F12 algorithm, that is L prime U prime L to slot it in. So in this particular case, we have the white sticker facing up and we have the edge piece separated from the corner piece like this, and both are in the top layer. So for this, what you do is you match the color on the edge piece here, okay, to its corresponding center, and then you take it to the opposite side of the color on top here. So since this is green, I want to move this to the blue side. If I move it here, it's matching, so I don't want that to happen. I want to move it to the opposite side like this, and then I take this corner over this piece. So I do that to bring it over this piece, and when I come back up, I have the normal basic F12 case. So I just do that algorithm. So I do R U prime R prime, and that solves my F12 case. So this is the same case, but you have to do it on your left hand side now. So we have the green center matching green. The orange, if I do this, it'll match. I don't want that. So I will take it to the red center like this. Then I bring the corner over the edge piece like this. Okay, so that is matched. And then now I have the basic F12 case, and I do the algorithm. So I do L prime U L, and there you finish your F12 slot. So guys, I made this video to introduce all of you to the basics and a few advanced cases of F12. Okay, so most of these cases are intuitive, so you can practice it easily and get faster with it. If you want to check out the more advanced cases, as I said, there is a link in the description, so you can go there and check it out. I will be making a video on these advanced and special cases in the future, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel and turn post notifications on so you don't miss that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.